Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to import Google Calendar to Notion. This is Notion automation tutorial. So first, what you're going to do is to go to any web browser and then type Notion or Notion template. And then this is what it looks like. You can see here about this template. You can scroll down and know more about this Ultimate Task Notion template. Okay, so again, go to any browser and then type Notion template. And then if you want to download, all you have to do is to click this download option that is next to product. But for our tutorial, all we have to do is to sign up and create an account here on your Notion. So what you're going to do is to click login or sign up. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook, or other social media accounts too. But for me, I have created my Notion using my Google account. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. As you can see, you can easily see a feature of calendar here inside Notion. But what we're going to do is to import Google Calendar or to integrate Google Calendar to your Notion. So this is what the calendar looks like if you're using the calendar Notion. But what we want is the same feature and look and options with a Google Calendar. So if you want to know how to simply import Google Calendar to your Notion, then this is the best tutorial. So to import Google Calendar to your Notion, we need this Warden application. Since we cannot import it directly here on your Notion, we need this Warden platform. So where can we find it? You can simply go to your profile at the top left corner and look for your settings. Okay, tap this one. So one of the features under settings is what we call connections. Here you can simply connect your Notion to other platforms or application. So if you can see the button here, then you can click this browse connections in gallery and it will take you directly to another page. You can see here integration gallery. You can see tons of social media accounts, platforms, tools in which you can connect your Notion. Okay, so you have to go to the search bar and then type Warden. And as you can see here, there is no option or we cannot see add or import button or feature here. So this only means we need to add this to Chrome or Chrome Web Store in order for us to connect this to our Notion. As simple as this. Okay, so Warden operates within the user's browser as an extension, so eliminating the need for window switching. Additionally, it builds context-aware automations by reading the tabs that are open in the browser. That means Warden can gather data for use in email drafts, Slack messages, Jira notifications, and other applications by simply clicking a button and scanning what is open on the screen. Okay, so here I have added this Warden to my Google Chrome. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, you just have to go to your Chrome Web Store and then search for Warden, add to Chrome, and then add extension. Okay, so this is how we're going to connect or import our Google Calendar to our Notion. So after you add to Chrome, add extension, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing, and you will see at the above that it is now starting to download. You just have to wait. Once done, and then you will see that Warden platform or application or tool here above, and all you have to do is to pin this in order for you to see it right away here in the notifications above. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do is you have to open this and log into your account. So if you don't have an account here in Warden, then you can sign up using your Google account. I think this is the easiest way to create a Warden account or even Notion account. Okay, so you can also add email address, password, but for me, I want to sign in or sign up using my Google account. This one is easier. So as you can see, this is a large Warden. So they will just ask a few questions such as tell them about yourself, okay? And then after that, you can click confirm and then what apps to use here. So we're going to use Notion and at the same time Google Calendar. So if you tap this both, and then whatever integrations or workflows, you know, with using Notion and Google Calendar, you can do it inside this onboarding platform. Okay, so based on your recent activity, as you can see, copy all Google Calendar events during a time frame to Notion. Exactly, this is what we need and this is what we want. So all you have to do is to click this. Okay, and then after that, you can read the following. Click connect. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Okay, so connect your Google account. Okay, view and edit events on your calendar. So you have to tap this. Okay, and then click continue. Wait for a couple of seconds again. And then you have to let Warden have access to your Notion. Okay, so you can select pages here where you're going to put it. If, for example, in this area, okay, allow access. Okay, wait for a couple of seconds again, and then app successfully connected. As easy as that. Okay, so all you have to do now is you can now create automation. That's how easy it is. You cannot do this inside Notion. You need Borden in order for you to connect your Notion and in order for you to import your Google Calendar to your Notion. Here you can now explore and add some triggers and then add some events. Depends on your project, of course. Okay, so it's up to you how are you going to manage the workflow here. But this is just the tutorial on how you're going to import Google Calendar to your Notion. And you could also follow these steps that I'm going to say. So step one, you can create an event start trigger. So this step makes you don't miss any crucial meetings by alerting you when your next Google Calendar event is about to begin. Step two, you can also add attend the meeting. So Barden will open the meeting link from your Google Calendar event, immediately saving you the trouble of looking it up. Step three, you can add the Keep Notion pages. So this tool looks for Notion pages in a given database so you can get to the pertinent notes fast. And then step four, we have here update or add Notion page. Warden will maintain your notes current by adding or updating content to your Notion page as needed. Lastly, step five, open the Notion page. At last, the appropriate Notion page opens, enabling you to begin taking notes as soon as the meeting starts. Okay, so this is just the very basic tutorial on how to easily import Google Calendar to Notion. So I really hope that this video helped you. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.